Hey folks, it's Mark here from Harmonix, where we give you the knowledge to get good on guitar. And today we're learning 3 easy blues licks, all the same notes. Couldn't be any easier. Let's have a look. Okay, so you ready to learn these? Let's go. Okay, so lick number 1, pretty straightforward. All the notes we're ever going to play are going to be on the 7, the 5, and the 7 on the G string and the D string respectively. And we're always going to be using our first finger on the 5 on the G, third finger on the 7 on the G, and our third finger also when we come over for the 7 on the D, which is an A note and the root. We're going to be playing in A minor pentatonic. And the mid root is on the 7th fret on the D. So we're always going to be landing on or around there. Okay, so lick number 1, we're pre-bending to the pitch of 9. And if you want a guide on how to bend strings, there's a complete guide that I posted the other day. It's up here. So you can go watch that and then come back. So we're going to be going pre-bending to 9. Release the bend, then downstroke on 5 on the G and quarter bend it. And then we finish on the 7 on the D, like that. Okay, so let me do it again. Bit faster. And that's lick number 1. Lick number 2 is kind of a bending lick more than anything. And what we're doing here is we're starting on fret 7 on the D, so the mid root of A with our third finger. And we're going downstroke. Immediately we're going to upstroke onto the 5 on the G with our first finger. So, and then we're going to hammer our third finger onto 7 on the G. Then we're going to do a full whole tone bend to the pitch of 9, like this. And then we're going to release that without stopping the bend. And then we're going to pull off to 5. So. And then all we do is we loop that over and over. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's lick number 2. And finally, lick number 3. This one is just a repetitive kind of cycle lick. It's going to involve 4 notes this time. We're starting with our first finger on fret 5 on the G. And we're going to be playing an upstroke. Okay. You can start this whole thing off with a downstroke if you want, but when you come to cycle it, it's better to do downs and ups or outside the string picking, which we'll deal with in a more advanced video later on maybe. But you want to, if you can, try and start with an up just to get used to starting with an upstroke sometimes. And we're going to be upstroking with our first finger on fret 5 on the G. We're going to hammer on and pull off from 7 back to 5 with our third finger like this. And then that third finger is going to come over for a downstroke on the mid root on 7 on the D string, which is an A. So like this. And then we just loop that over and over. And if you want, you can double that up. Okay, and that will really get some more workout, a really good workout for your third finger. So that's lick number 3. So I hope you enjoyed that. and you got something out of it and you learned something today, even if it was just maybe some sense of expression blues wise and not so much the notes, if you knew those licks already, maybe there's something in there that you can add to your playing. I hope. You can let me know in the comments below. So if you enjoyed those licks, you enjoyed the lesson today, please smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Of course, feel free to leave any comments as well. That'd be great to know how you got on with these and if you enjoyed it and you want to see more videos like this. It'd be good to know. For more beginner licks and riffs and exercises and things, I suggest you watch this. That's me for today. Take care. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.